Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet for real estate. Scheduling difficulties are a major cause of customer churn in the real estate business. People tend to look for better support when they have a hard time finding high-quality answers, and a streamlined scheduling tool helps them get the help they need quickly. Appointlet makes it simple to assist your customers with fast online scheduling. Increase customer satisfaction with a seamless booking experience. Qualify customers that really need your help with a real estate purchase. Reduce no-shows with automated reminders and confirmations. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Give Appointlet a try, it's free. We provide a generous set of features on the free plan, so it might be all you need. There's no obligation. Sign up takes less than 2 minutes and you won't need a credit card. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.